Good day, everyone. It's me again, Louie, with another unboxing. Thank you to Altitude Digital. Go to shop ko for my drone requirements. So my last purchase was an Avata 2 with the motion controller and the goggles. Up till now, hindi ko pa nagagamit yung FPV controller. So, siguro sa ibang video, I'll try and learn how to do full manual. Now, naisip ko that I would like to try na magpalipad ng drone indoors. So, the safest bet for me to get a drone flying indoors would be to have the Dji Neo. So this is I got the Fly More combo with the RC3. Although hinahanap ko nga sana is just a Neo with extra batteries, kasi from my Mini 4 Pro I have the RC2 na pwede ding mag-control ng Neo, and then from the Avata I have the motion controller, I have the goggles, I have the FPV controller. So tabi muna natin to. Thanks again, Altitude Digital. So I have multiple controllers for the Dji Neo. Pero medyo matagal na lumabas to, I think mga 2 or 3 months ago. Most of the reviews na napanood ko, they enjoy flying this even without the controller. Pero let's see. So unbox natin. Well, first off, there's another box inside. I think ito yung mga spares niya. Oh, the battery. Ito pala yung battery niya. So I have the charging bay. May release latch ba to? Wala, hinihila lang. Okay, hinihila lang. Then, 2 batteries. Spare batteries. Tingnan natin if it has power. I think naka-hibernate pa siya. So, even if I press the power button, wala lumalabas. Usually kasi, pag bumili ka ng bagong drone, from DJI especially, naka-hibernate yung mga batteries. For you to activate it, kailangan charge mo muna. Also included in the box is let's see, Type C to Type C cable, then Type C to Apple, so we call it Type C to Apple. I think para sa RC3 to. Then screwdriver. That's it. The RC3, hindi ko na siya bubuksan kasi I'm planning to sell this. Siguro bebenta ko na lang siya as unused, kasi nga ang dami kong controllers that I would use rather than use my cell phone and the RC3 to control the Neo. So hindi ko na siya bubuksan. So I'll sell this. And last but not the least is, no, last na natin to. So So, meron akong manual stickers, two spare propellers. Then, wala na. Ganda ng stickers ng DJI. So, let's go to the aircraft. So, ayun. Meron siyang naka-install na tawag dito, propeller guards. Liit niya lang, as in gapalad lang. Meron din siyang gimbal protector. And, wow. Super liit. So, ayan. Here's this is yun, the gimbal protector. So that will be it for the unboxing. I'll go ahead and charge the batteries first, and then pag may charge na yung batteries, we'll deep dive into the workings of the Neo. Peace. See you later.